full electric subcompact crossover. Punta lang tayo sa showroom. Dito sa Toyota San Fernando. 2026 Toyota Urban Cruiser BEV. Yung price, 2,135,000 pesos. Maganda yung design ng front fascia. Modern na hindi boxy yung styling. Full LED yung headlight with DRL. Hindi ko makita yung front fog lamps, pero may side air vent naman for aerodynamics. May front camera, 18-inch alloy wheels, naka-disc brake sa front and rear. Body color yung side mirror cover. May camera for panoramic view. Equipped din to ng blind spot monitor. Medyo mababa nga lang ng konti yung ground clearance. May keyless or smart entry button. Check natin yung interior. Two-tone leather and fabric seats. Power seat adjustment sa driver. Manual seat adjustment naman sa front passenger. Sa door panel, hard plastic. Fabric naman sa armrest. Power window switch na automatic. Leather wrap steering wheel. Naka-electronic power steering to, kaya expect nyo na magaan. Flat top and flat bottom yung steering design, kaya mas sporty yung feel. Tilt and telescopic adjust yung steering column. Push start ignition. Full screen na yung instrument cluster. Pagdating sa visibility, okay naman. Medyo mataas din yung ride height. Kita pa rin yung hood ng konti. Medyo makapal nga lang yung A-pillar, kaya additional blind spot. 10.1-inch infotainment screen. May volume knob. Single zone climate control. Para sa ganitong price range, mas okay siguro kung ginawang dual zone. May wireless charging pad. 12-volt socket at 2 USB port. Single speed automatic transmission. Naka-electronic parking brake with brake hold. Padded leather yung center armrest. Check natin yung storage. Medyo maliit lang yung storage space, pero okay na rin to. Dampen yung glove box. May vanity mirror yung sun visor. Same sa front passenger. Napansin ko lang na medyo firm or matigas yung upuan. Pati na rin tong backrest, ramdam mo yung curve or design pattern. Iset ko lang yung driver seat sa driving position ko. Check natin yung back seat. For reference lang, 5'7" yung height ko. Two-tone leather and fabric seats. Sa door panel, hard plastic. Fabric naman yung armrest. Power window switch na automatic. Nakaset na to sa driving position ko. Yung legroom. Okay naman yung space. Hindi sobrang luwag, hindi rin masikip. Yung foot space, makakapag-stretch ka pa. May slide adjustment din to kung gusto nyo lang bawasan yung legroom. Flat yung floor, wala siyang hump. Okay naman yung foot space sa middle seat. Yung sitting position, comfortable din. May 2 USB port. Yung headroom, nasa 2 to 3 inches pa. Okay naman yung sitting position, hindi siya upright or 90 degrees. Kasi reclining seat naman to. Equipped din to ng sunroof. Check natin yung cargo space. Maganda naman yung design ng rear end. Modern and aggressive look. Full LED yung taillight. May reverse camera. Parking sensor. Hindi pa to equipped ng power liftgate. Pero mas okay kung standard na yun. Medyo malaki na rin yung storage space. Nandito sa underfloor storage yung tire repair kit. Kasi wala tong spare tire. Check natin yung engine bay. Single electric motor. Malakas na rin yung power output para sa ganitong crossover. Palike na lang and subscribe. Paalam.